Jonas. Jonas. Yeah. You're silly. You're silly.
Oh yeah, at the museum or something.
Wait. No, you can't see it. Back. Are you tired? Say, woo, this is a long day. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, I love you. Say, I love you. I love you. Put up that little finger. I love you. I love you. Good job. No. Alright, stop. Say hi. No, say hi.
Shout my love.
Hi.
You really can't talk yet. I left the tooth last night.
What's he pointing at, Gretchen?
My earrings. He thinks they're sucking my blood.
What are they?
Cupcakes. Cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
My start.
Okay, I get it. Alright, go.
Hi. Hi, Jonas. Hi. Yeah, it's the same as this one. Yay! Those straws are different. Come on, Jonas. Come on.